IGC news. Bema Olivia Akwaba. I had the latest hot news in Kwa Enamide Bremo. And so when you subscribe, yeah, but more say over subscribe to the channel. The over say over click the subscribe button. Now I barely notification. When say new video be upload. What the first person I was have a video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now feel. Share my offer so now when you be here now who and some echo a wogana memoir. I feel you will and some about the door yet so. A year Agyapadie homes and Sammy and then a capture smart or Net TV morning show host what and some other people what to say what you pakura what type a year document and Sika ye Pia Sani Panina what the name na Atuka. Captain Abrobo and Sammy Bresu na yes and then I say you could see a year and some year Captain Smart and 2 Fire Agyapadie book here whom some year dija. It's a year and some year Captain Smart and 2 it's some.
You do 2020 bano even before the elections. And I was starting to say would di Bawumia Owusu. And I've said it here and to me repeat it. And who say no. Akwano ye used to Bawumia no. Say I'm no cause no na me catch a producer ewada. Unim there's a huge battle between the Bawumia camp and the Napo camp. Asha sentem dodo. Napo 2028. Of course, Bawumia ntimi win. Bawumia Lucia Napo will contest the MPP flag bearership in the MPP. And at what time, because I am part of the strategic implementation plan of the Agyapadie book. It is sad that we have to call more to call.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Now, Obiti say Agyapadie a lie. Who told you it's a lie? In any case, Gyamfi say yentro. I don't know if book a yentro. Now we implement it. I don't know say krata no de woman na no enye no kore. But the enye no kore wo mu no metra fia catch 2022. Say snake penny Kuffour free ho pepepa on be pam no. Ono ankasa tenkran ofre me. Aga chief, me nim de America o. Me nim de America. Kuffour kwa on be yiwadi. Pain. No safma for den e ban court na ho. Pain. Deputy Director General. Pain. Tenkran ye yinadi. Pain. Osafma for ba eneko. E we Agyapadie buku nim. Enterprise buku nim. So called senior journalist krum ha. Me begina afia ha na me catch 2022. Say sika ye di tua senior journalist krum ha no. Ano odin no munjai sika gigye no. No munjino oman no ho kakra mpacho wo kai. Last year me tam so omu nyina mu. Na me busa say, dent na we senior journalist. Na obekwa kwaji 200,000. Dentra. Dentra. When I say so, you're a senior journalist. We a senior broadcaster, senior presenter. Okay, Agyapadie book no kaya sama or much far. Former General Secretary. Your friend say. Oh, the Okoya a JFK by John Bodu. Okay, as John, as some no much far on who Agyapadie book no. There's a young guy be or a slim. Say we need to see in an apempemano a party semedi or the IGP Dampare Atta wunim no on woman a try no can about you. Woman almost say my research about you. Me be man no fan kada. Kokaye Agyapadie document na some Akufo we tro far a John Bodu. The idea way and tribal politics so. The whole strategy is that Agyapadie document no plan na ni na ne say esese wo ma Okyehene be ye kese te sa asantehene me insura asem ka wo the strategic implementation plan no they know eti strategy wo me say esese wo implementation ni mu no ese Okyehene tutu ahemfo bi e wo eastern region first person e tinadu e wo kede me pedo so ye bema baba be challenge so Okyehene wan ko si hene e o kede wa bra na kede ma hene wo ho meboa adelai. Let somebody come and say I am lying. They were looking for the big towns in Eastern region. It is part of the strategic implementation plan of the Agyapadie document. Town number 2, Asamankase. I want anybody to come and tell me.
Watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
The next point was that Obian to be sihine ewa Akwamufie, but Akwamufie is part of Eastern region. But woman to Kwafu Akoto. Maybe some can. Jimmy Semenka. It is woman to be too Kwafu Akoto. No, we know be a won't bet me influence na. Akwamufie is bigger that they can be able to control. Meboa. Aha meboa. Eti ye dan na Kwafu Akoto. Ohene, wada mama chi ebru. Akwamufie, eyere so bawe. Yes, I Supreme Court. Yes, I High Court. Hey, we know the people behind it and the strategic implementation plan. We know. We have an idea. Eti me say, yes, akwa. Eti mi ro Okyehene. E bia wo nim. Na mi ntimi mfa subuo bia mo Okyehene. Mira. Ohene. Achime bu akwa. Ehene. Mi ntimi mfa bibia mbata ho. Efise wo mo tro document no. Na wo US. Ah? I wish you know what I know. Napo, shon husu ye. Uno ubusua. Na ma wadwe mu nda ho. Obi ani asase so Ghana ha na watimi aka Agyapadie de ato TV na radio so. No be asro. I wanted to break the virginity of that book. And indeed, I broke the virginity of that document on TV and on radio. Now, you no me say, Kuffour bebre afede obi aka Agyapadie. You share document national. And I am saying this on authority. Nana Adodan kwa Akufo-Addo. On responding to Obia personally, damn me. Akufo-Addo responded to me personally. Chebie. Jenti ananado. Befa ni phone. No be responded to me. Kwajo smart. Manya wadwe say omoya rough abi twa won. So hey, they still call me. Just that me, I know they feel them again. They are thieves. Me, I don't play with thieves. You can call me, I may answer. But it doesn't mean you have me. Okay? I can be walking with you on a 1,000-mile journey. We will get to 999, but you are not with me. Then Gabi Okyehene also responded to me personally. Then somebody from Okyehene's palace also responded to me personally. Akufo-Addo is a president, so I may not read his message on air. He is a president. I may be so hard, but sometimes and this message here may be kind. Mensah say free 2021. Na me dia bedu Agyapadie document no. On the 8th of March 2024, na Ghana hobia sro say obeka Agyapadie document no wasem no. Yeah no on the 6th.
Hot news all time.
80 koso memu ha. Mete brofo bi ankrofo ka say talk is cheap. Talk is cheap. Na say talk ye cheaper. Yankopon wan fa miracle bia na bo abode or the kasa na boy. Eti won wa wonim kasa na ye nyansafo che won mo ye din. But the sense say yen yadwe na ye wodo etoda na niema no keka sisi ani nti ye hu so bi o ye konkom bia ye nyansafo. President Kuffour ka se mi kire me. O si din bebrebe jimi bebrebe bata ho. Enti time a ye fa Agyapadie document na ye na obi adwane. I remember if you are me producer, you started March kura no nya amane e wo fia. Because everybody obia slow the Agyapadie document. But I mean can say bi kire o. Nipa bebre are starting. They say I've come back to Agyapadie because me kwambo for me your sergeant for me chasado na me jiwu ya na ka cho se ko. Anko bia som bia o kan ka me nka biom ka me jemu ato. Ba me pese me ka asem ketewa bi e wo sa Agyapadie document no. Listen, the document is real. I personally know the lady who typed the document. About typing here, onya chimney or a fantini. But she was paid 20,000 Ghana cedis to do the typing in secrecy. I know her. And Gabi Ochreda kuni nana do nimse minim obano. Tiemiye. That lady went to University of Cape Coast. Obano Oko University of Cape Coast. I know her very, very, very well. And they know I know her. That is number one. Any power D can send the documents in a command for review. Or send the documents no akoma or before fro. This document got leaked. They know I know him. They themselves, they know I know him. That's number 2. Point number 3. Police amedase, obetwe ye free so. Say obiat na baby. Say nipa no sabe so ye hwan o. Jenti ama me de sabe aka ho no say me bua him for pa. I don't joke with nananom. Eti jenti ama to sabe e wo ho no say ma kan e wo social media. It might not be true. Eti ama de sabe aka ho say ye wro Okyehene aka say document no nya no kore. Ohere document we e no kore. And this morning, I am only here just to tell you the history behind Agyapadie document way. And to watch this. This is my phone. Nash, I don't know if you can zoom in to get me message na me de ba be kire wo no. So that obia or share me an pay.
Hot news all time.
Obiya would come to appreciate the fact to say, and yes, yes, sorry, anopa. Yes, talk is cheap. So we just get up and come and sit here and rant. First of all, I've told you before, let's assume that sad document way and yano kre. Koshinibi and a tenase and a prepare ye. And then a yansa for koshini document. No implement it. Dimachi. Wow, sir, 2021, 2022, I kept saying, sir, straight. Or Safuma for Akopia Bukobunkum, Akopia Bukonifa, and Auditable Akweswamaneba. When I was saying those things, people were thinking that I was just talking. Hey, we have Nanado Damkwa Akufo-Addo, His Excellency the President of the Republic. That is why he was bold enough to say it at cabinet, sir. You guys must find a very gentle way of dealing with him. Bisa napo, bisa rutum, mebu body, bisa senso wache, bisa chief of staff nankasa, bisa gabi wachena ku anko cabinet meeting nibi. But time we a cabinet meeting no, asante media to a friend no. 2 hours after the cabinet meeting, that cabinet meeting, and I have the details still on my phone. Cabinet meeting, I'm going more documents in my phone. So, whatever they discussed, I have it. So, Kweku Annan catch there was say, our cabinet document. I am also sitting here and telling you, Nanado, me want proceedings over 20. Akufo-Addo, bisa wa unkrofo de say. And then as woman Munsua, Omutintesu. Cause I patashi. And ye num tintesu. Ye numunsu and tintesu. A job about painful than a bosophone. No. Tinanado, bisa wow cabinet and say, I didn't know Munsua or tintesu. So we share kwabrane no onom drink. No here whoosh ehihie na kira wo say ansa na obenum sa drink no wadi mekoyirawa. Nanado bisa unkrofo ne say dey ntina wadi mekoyirawa asoma benum malt. Also they should find a very gentle way of dealing with him because I know him. Yes, you know me. And untino emo bi nya na dwen say asajama ye ni hweye. So I said we don't have anything doing. Let me be honest with you. I hate it when I say things about me, myself. But the fact is that me were woman frame woman mo bia na just say fia penifo na me nkasa wo. They talk to me. But do you know one thing about me? Me tie me fa de sese me fa. If you say on mine da ho no wunni mu nche me. Ghana ye da ho yi. Wunni inside of this country and chain me. That is why Akufo-Addo told them at a cabinet meeting that find a very gentle way to deal with him. Because I know him. Yes, Nanado knew me. Because I saved his life. Samakada. And how I saved his life. Only God knows. And not there, whoop for second to me, men can't die. If you say enche, obey mampeni dada. Enche, obey mampeni dada. That is why I am na pohu yemahi. If you say obidi mampeni via, yan kanachi asambone. Se wundi ma obin kanche sa mo naponu. So no kanche sa mo kwame nkroma no. Sa mo so mo naponu. Mon kanche no. Se obidi mampeni ewia. Eti se obi a wawu. Yan kanachi asambone. Janu manenwene ne ho. If you say they are all the ade e wona na mu no. Ono na biribia re gina ne konso. I say so ohwe so bi wi asika ache no ne jan mu dwa no so bi sai bibia twene bra eti da na po bie na no kan say me nya ndisini ba me ye Ghana ni say ye kind the former president of this country John Dramani Mahama or John Agyakom Kuffour or a former president police amida so betwe ye free so eti ada na po bie na no kan say na dwe police pesa video no mame because I never ni nipa bebre wasam okroma hwe no wa meka ho say na ndi office NDC for kwakoyi ni papa bi de na bre Ghana wo anya ni papa bia anyina ma te say John Dramani Mahama yem for the say Mahama sabia buru sabia nya do onye obi ampa so ye bodani a otwita kwatam biribi efa tokone emensuo besene na napo etimi bie na no kasa ekire obi a wadi mampani a na na adodan kwa Akufo-Addo na mu na ono bedi president ema wo benya minister di ye no ni kuro mu nsuo Mahama ko ho ensuo na wo chebi no Mahama na ye chebi efimra oduman kuma bo ade bo ade beti na wo nsuo seye Mahama na di nsuo ko chebi na so bie na no kasa mo so am so Captain Smart mu ade na niam akode monapo no de no bu ade obi otum for create no for akwa we 2 hours later catch otum for say fa won say hunu so ba me ko ka dem pesem ka. What are we talking about here? Huh? Three bie na no enti say wo catch no obi say na madwe ya me say ekuo we koyi ni papa bi aba na wenye ni papa bi anyina mbate say John Dramani Mahama opeso okade na che ye former president ye di esika na datua ne kabesi. What it means is that Ghana for na ye moa. Asem na pokan na se kire no say Ghana fo nyina ye na ye moa enti me ka say wo to aba me bibia aba obi afa so. What he said, GJ got silenced. What Napo said, everybody was quiet in this country. And this man said these words about our former president, and nobody said anything to him. And you guys think that we will sit down and watch just anybody to say anything? Now MP before the woman bought them. Some GJ no so sorry I'm so can some phone said they. I got you 213,000 Ghana cedis. I got a press conference on home. My car somewhere 3 weeks ago. I found a more issue statement. And so when you say this about a former president, sabi. Minimum be or two about my NDC. Me I don't know. Because me NDC. But so we be one no catch the Ghana for over 6 million. I want to Abama Mahama 2016, 2020. Say ne yenim se munkoyi ni papa bi e de ama Ghana. Mwenye ni papa bi enyi da mate se John Mahama. Hey, sir. Ana media houses e wo krom hamu na mayedi no. Na men kotia. Akwabia waye sro ha se wenya HIV. Said then. Let me move into the better part of the show, man. I love my audience. And I'm a bad man. Me can be here. Now, why home pound one seminal, men for home, we are no fear, we are when you, men for home, what do home bar? Because the way I metehano, it's a Agyapadie document, not that one, real. And I'll tell you the history. Okay? 18th August 2021, me can't some chrawa. Me mouth date and time. It's the me quarter. No me follow. Never do so Johnny. 18th August 2021. This is the message Gabi Ochedako sent to me. And I am reading this in English. 18th August 2021. Now me wofia how. Me ba fia 1st June 2021. June, July, August. Me a show. Just 2 days after. Me say a show. Now that day, 18th August 2021, show no coordinado homa. So there was a family meeting over my head. So we need to catch now. The Achim Caucus met. Woman share with Jubilee House. Woman share with cantonment. Woman share with East Legon. Woman ko share directly opposite Electoral Commission. I was standing right behind them, but they didn't see me. The Achim Caucus had a meeting. Yo,
Jibo, we and somebody Captain Smart and two Gyamfi Agyapadie book you watch the power, Telepi and Sky, the man or the Hunsa Godo now Afriyie. Because you see so and our channel, so we are subscribe. But when I say over subscribe and like it, now so what share video since I had the latest and hot news and Kwaku Annan Bremo. Also bet me actually what you have and some way now I will comment boxing over in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.